There's this amazing new feature called Guides, which Instagram rolled out to everyone just a few days ago. It's a total game changer for creators and entrepreneurs, and I would suggest you get on it as soon as possible. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you have to know about Guides, but first, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Hey guys, what's up? Sam here. Welcome back to my channel where I help creators and entrepreneurs grow their businesses through social media. A few months ago, Instagram launched a new feature called Guides, which allowed creators to share longer form content in a dedicated tab. At first, it was only rolled out to a select group of creators who are publishing content focused on mental health and well-being, but this week it was finally rolled out to everyone, and they also expanded Guides to include other types of content as well. This feature was designed to give Instagram creators and marketers a way to share long-form content. So, a guide is basically a set of multiple posts from either you or other creators with added headline, text, and a cover photo. It's a great way for Instagram users to display their recommendations, tips, and other content to their followers. So there are 3 categories available right now. The first one is products, which enables you to create shopping guides. The second one is places, where you can create travel guides and guides about any destination, which is amazing if you're in the travel industry. And the third one is posts, where you'll be able to share multiple posts from you or other creators. Alright, so let me show you where guides are located on Instagram. So there is a dedicated category for guides in your profile, and it's usually next to the IGTV button. It's this little book symbol right here. So the visitors that come to your profile will be able to see the guides you posted by tapping here. Once you create a guide, this section will automatically appear, so don't worry if you don't see this category on your profile yet. It will appear after you post your first guide. You'll also be able to share your guides to your stories and send them through your DMs. Alright, so let's check it out. First, tap the plus icon on the top left corner. You'll see that the guide option appears right here. If you don't have it yet, don't worry, just update your Instagram app and wait a few days. Okay, so after you click this, 3 different types of guides appear: places, products, and posts. I'm gonna show you all 3, but let's first check out places. So under it, it says recommend places in your city and beyond, so this category is perfect if you're in the travel industry. After you click next, Instagram will offer some locations, but you can also search from other locations as well. So on the bottom, you'll see that there's an option to choose from search, saved, which are the locations from the posts you have saved in your collections, and your locations, which are the locations you have tagged on your posts. Alright, so let's choose New York. After you choose your location, Instagram will offer posts from this location, which you can choose from. So I can just scroll down and select a few posts I want to add to my travel guide. Alright, so after you've selected your posts, the next step is to write a headline and the text. And you can also change the cover image. Alright, so when you're happy with your guide, just share it, or you can even click preview if you want to see what it looks like before you post. Alright, so now let's go to the second guide option, which is the products. Now, this option is a complete game changer for businesses who have Instagram shopping enabled. Alright, so let me show you how this works. So you can search and add products. So, for example, if I want to add an ASOS dress to my Christmas shopping guide, then I'm gonna search for ASOS, find a dress I like, click on it, then choose from the photos that are presented here, and add it to my guide. Alright, so the next step is pretty much the same. You can change the cover, add the headline and text, and click next to post. Alright, so now that we've covered the places and the products categories, the next thing I'm going to show you are the post guides. Now, this one is really useful because here you can create guides with multiple posts that you've created. You can select a topic, so since I'm an Instagram coach, I would go with Instagram text, for example, and add all of the posts that are related to this topic to my guide. So let me quickly show you. So let's click on posts. You can select from either your posts or saved posts. Click next, add a headline, and click next to share it with your audience. So this way you can organize your posts by topics, which is amazing news. I personally can't wait to start putting together guides about different topics I teach, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and check it out. But what do you think about this feature? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!